The Paragon Warsuit is an armoured walker used by the Adeptus Sororitas. These vehicles are gifted to elite Celestians who have expressed the ultimate faith. The machine spirits bound within the Warsuits trust only the purest Sisters of Battle and are difficult to tame. However, should a union be successfully formed, the pilot can advance through the thickest enemy fire and engage the most fearsome of foes. The pilots must possess incredible skill to pilot these vehicles, for they are capable of extremely complex and fluid maneuvers. Each Paragon Warsuit is equipped with firepower to rival a Space Marine Dreadnought. The left arm incorporates a heavy bolter or heavy flamer or multi-melter, which is augmented by a shoulder-mounted secondary weapon consisting of either twin grenade launchers or storm bolters. Its right arm wields a melee weapon consisting of a large Paragon Warblade or Paragon War Mace. The commander of Paragon Warsuit's unit is known as a Paragon Superior. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.